This is an example of what I can do with a customer's old jewelry to make it into something completely new. I have drawn a sketch and removed the diamonds so that I can lay them out in a pattern that I can take measurements from. This is going to be a cluster diamond engagement ring with diamonds down the shank. The first step is to make the ring the correct finger size. Some wax carvers prefer little knives and scrapers. I like to use files and lots of small rotary cutters. Many waxes are done now by CAD/CAM, or computer-aided design and computer-aided machining. I prefer to do it the old-fashioned way. There are many steps in carving the wax. Here are a few of the more interesting ones. A set of dividers are used to transfer measurements to the wax for spacing the stones evenly. Once the layout and spacing have been transferred to the wax model, I can start drilling and cutting the seats and prongs that will hold the diamonds in place. Summer, my video editor, wants to know why I drill holes all the way through the wax. I said because it is easier to drill holes in wax than it is in metal. That didn't answer her question. The holes are there to make it easier to clean the back side of the diamonds when they get dirty. I was once asked, how do I know what to carve away and what to leave? I said, how do you make a chocolate mousse? Get a 500-pound block of chocolate and carve away everything that does not look like mousse. I know what the ring needs to look like. I just have to remove everything that doesn't belong. I'm cutting away wax to leave behind the prongs that grip the diamonds like little fingers. I hollow out under the ring to reduce the weight so it will not be top heavy. Here is the customer's gold and the diamonds laid out in the spacing I used for measurements. Once the wax is finished, it is put on a sprue and fitted into a casting flask. I will invest it and burn it out tonight and cast it in the morning. Here the rough casting is in 14 karat white gold. It's time to cut off the sprue, sand it and polish it. Once that is done, I can move on to setting the diamonds. The finishing process is almost as time-consuming as carving the wax model. I'm going to quit talking for a while and just let you observe how the rest of it goes. I have to start in the middle of the cluster and work my way out, cutting the seats and pushing the prongs over the diamonds. I will finish it up with some hand engraving on the profile of the shank. This is called a leaf pattern.